the bottom of my heart, Alden, thank you. Alam niyo po, isa din pong napakabait na artista, not just an artist, but as a person. Kasi even noon, maliliit pa lang po yung mga venues ng concert ko. Pag tinatawagan ko po siya, Alden, pwede mo ba ako supportahan? Pwede ko ba mag-guest sa concert ko? He always says yes. Unless talagang may conflict na schedule. So, ang pinaka nakakatawa, dito po sa MOA Arena, siya mismo ang nagpresenta. Jones, guess mo ko dyan, ha? Of course, Alden. So, Alden, I just want to congratulate you also kasi I heard you are celebrating your 15th anniversary this December.
Yes.
Very, very soon. So, congratulations din sa'yo. And once again, Alden, thank you. And all of us wish you the best in your career, in your personal life. And many of you do not know, Alden and I are good friends. Hindi man po kami showy sa social media kasi hindi naman lahat ng bagay.
Hindi naman lahat kailangan
i-post. At saka gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo, sikreto ko lang po talaga to. Bago pa po mag-Aldab, mag-Kathleen, meron ng Jonah din. Pero ako lang po yung nakakaalam. Hindi na po alam. Okay lang ba, Alden?
Oo naman.
Ako lang. Walang president, wala. Ako lang mag-isa. Jonah din. So, Alden, thank you so much. Get well soon.
Thank you so much po.
Congratulations!